Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to be looking at common words or phrases that you would hear in English conversation. In other words, what things should you say? Let's get started. We're going to start with some greetings. So what kinds of things would you say the first time you see someone or at the start of a day? Some common words are hello, hi, good morning. You can even say hello and then insert a person's name. For example, hello, Sarah. Some other ones include, how's it going? How have you been? What's new? Or, what's up? Next, we'll talk about the topic of traveling. What are some common questions you might ask someone while you're traveling? Where is the nearest restaurant? What time is my flight? Where is the gate? What is the price of the visa? Now, let's look at a few more common questions. Like, where are the most popular attractions? The things that you might want to see in a new city or town. Or how do I get a ride to the airport? It could be with a taxi, a bus, or a car. Can I bring my laptop through the gate? Do I need to take off my shoes? You may or may not have to take off your shoes when you're walking through security. Are you checking in your baggage or a carry-on? In other words, will you take bags on the plane with you or check them under the plane? A few more bonus phrases here for traveling, such as safe travels, enjoy your journey, or I hope you arrive safe and sound. These are things that other people might say to you when they learn that you have a trip coming up. Next, we'll talk about dining out or ordering food in a restaurant. Some common questions you may ask are, how is this cooked? Is this spicy, hot, or cold? Do you have any vegetarian options or meatless options? And what are your drink options? Some other common questions you may ask when dining out are, what options do you have for kids? Or do you have a kids meal? May we have a table with a view? May I have extra sauce? Can I make substitutions? Which dish do you recommend? If you don't know quite what you should order, you could ask the server, what do you suggest? Now, we're going to talk about the area of making appointments. Sometimes you don't always have a list, or you may forget exactly what you were supposed to ask, so here are some common questions. What days and times are available? What kind of service do I need? What do I need to bring with me? Where is the office located? Do you accept insurance? A few more bonus questions here regarding making appointments are, how much will this service cost? That's not including insurance coverage. What is your return or cancellation policy? And finally, who will I call if I have more questions? Now, there's going to be times when you may need to talk to teachers on your behalf of someone else or for yourself. look at these common questions now. What topics will be covered in this class? What is the homework assignment? How can I improve my grade? When is the assignment due? What is the policy for late assignments? Other questions you may use when speaking to a teacher are, how can I contact you after class? What are the class rules? And how should I study for the exams? Thank you for joining us today on this review of what to say. Whenever you're making a greeting, traveling, dining out, making appointments, or even talking to teachers, perhaps these phrases or questions will be of good use. Thanks again. See you next time.